Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Harwood and I am here to do a testimonial for John Miller's coaching program. We just finished up the 10-week program earlier this week and it was fantastic. It was so helpful. Every week I came away with a notebook full of things to implement and my little check boxes for everything to do. It's well worth the time investment, the financial investment. I can promise you'll get your money back plus, a lot. It's definitely worth doing. So John helps not only with mindset stuff, but also tangible things. He brings decades of expertise in this space, as well as general business knowledge. So if you have the opportunity, definitely hire John for his coaching program. Highly, highly recommend. He will help you take your business to the next level and then to the level after that you might not even know is there. So he's definitely expanded my mindset and helped me realize that I can really create this huge empire. So thanks, and thank you again, John.